What is going on, guys? It is Saturday. It looks kind of gloomy, but it's not supposed to rain. Today we're going to be going to Bradenton Motorsports because they have the Brian Crower FL2K, event. It's from like Thursday to Sunday, but today's Saturday. We're going to go for today. See what's good because it's been a while since we've been there. We're in the garage right now because I need to clean this shit up, dude. And when you see mess and clutter, you kind of don't get as motivated to work around. So yeah, we just got to clean shit up, throw things out. Say so. Got it all cleaned up, all blown out, looking pretty good. Took a lot of shit out of here. Gotta go put some stuff on our shelves and storage.
Alright guys, so this is where we have some of the stuff right now. We also have a desk here. But yeah, this is where we keep all our extra stuff and just keep things out of the way in the garage, so.
Looks nice out here. Going out towards Bradenton and Sarasota. This rain better hold up though, because it's looking hella fucking cloudy. All the damn tickets online on our way over here. We should have probably waited. But it's alright. It's alright. Be doing a vlog on the side. I may be doing some montage recording, or maybe I'll just do some pictures. I don't know, man, to be honest. There's a lot going on. There's the T Miata that we've seen at Speed Zone. Yeah, there's a lot going on. It is so packed, guys. Like, the weather is looking iffy. It's kind of raining here and there, but it is busy as fuck. We just made it in. We're stamped, we're verified, bro. There's a lot of people. Look at all these businesses. There's just a lot of cool booths. A lot of different businesses. O&J Performance, Field Tech, Hall Tech, a bit of everything. Everything's cool. We're just gonna be walking and shooting. Doing my thing, taking pictures that I'm not gonna edit, you feel me? It's like, I'm trying to be better about that and get myself motivated.
Left lane closer to the sevens. Chad. But kept it together and no smoke, so that's a good sign. 986 in the right lane. 11 in the right lane, so we go 843 at 152. Not better than he did, but Gillum.
Oh shit.
About to meet up with the homie Danny right now. You guys seen he's got a silver TSX. We've made a video a little bit with him before, way in the past. I need a clutch pedal from him. What's going on, guys? We're here the next day after the whole Bradenton event. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that content that I got recorded. Could only see so much with the GoPro. I want to update you guys because I got something in the back in my trunk that the homie gave me. Super thankful. Shout out to you, Danny. Thank you so much, man. Especially because some shit going on with the TSX. You know, my car's been acting up already with the engagement and shit. So I try to like let off the clutch and press on the gas, and it's just like clutch would not grab. It was like and then I was putting in any gear, and anything past like 3 grand was like skipping. Oh man, so yeah, my clutch is starting to slip a lot more, and we have something in the back in the trunk that you guys are gonna see pretty soon. But yeah, stay tuned, stay tuned. Done it again after that first time, but it was happening the whole time until like I parked it and whatever. Like anytime I passed 3 grand, it was just kind of like skipping, man. It was like just slipping constantly. But if I'm just kind of going throughout the gears, it's doing just fine. But we gotta swap out this pedal and hopefully see if we could like maintain an adjustment. We just went to Whole Foods, and now we gotta make our breakfast and then kind of get into things because need some energy. All right, y'all. So we just got back, had a park, so I got myself some room right here. You gotta be real fucking rich to shop at Whole Foods, man. That shit crazy. Spent $60 on nothing. But yes, we're in the trunk. Now let's go for this item. Woo! Here we have a spare clutch pedal that looks pretty good and intact. Doesn't seem like there's any cracking or stressness just yet. Maybe eventually I'm going to come in here and just like do some quick tack welds. This is super needed, so we're gonna be swapping this out over here shortly, and then bleeding and adjusting the clutch, and hopefully it feels better because it just does not feel correct. It's real inconsistent. I just want to say huge shout out to my boy Danny right here. Make sure you guys go follow Holmes. He just gave me this because he had it laying around, thought he needed it, and then ended up not needing it, and he just tossed it to me. So big shout out to you, bro. Definitely gonna be a big help. So let's get to this, get some food and get this started. If you're having like clutch engagement issues, or it just stops engaging in general or whatever, really just check your clutch pedal, because you might be flexing hard because there's a crack and you're just not having engagement, which I'm still having engagement and I'm still able to get in the gears, but the engagement point is weird and it's not grabbing exactly how it should, and I'm adjusting and it's not really giving me what I want. So kinda, holy shit, what the was that, bro? Y'all see that? So we're gonna go ahead and zip the one off and then put this one on. We're gonna inspect the one that we have on because it is reinforced already. There might be some wonky shit going on. All right, guys, so if you've never done this job before, what you're gonna have to do is get this cotter pin out. It might be on that side for you, but it's on the side for me. Pull it out of that bracket right there, that little pin. That slides it off from the clutch master cylinder, so that point is detached. And then all you have to do is unplug those two sensors, and then there's one bolt up there. Well, you're gonna have to remove these because you're gonna have to get to that 112 mil up there. There's one right there and one on that side. So you just need some extension, maybe a little swivel, action, and yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and unplug these really quick. Unplug that like so. Quickly loosen it up right there to get things started. And that kickback, bro, that kickback, crazy. Crazy, kid. So we got that one off. Got those out the way. Now let's go ahead and try to get this pin. See if I can bend it back with my finger. And then see if it's just gonna kind of finagle its way out. I'm gonna have to do that little flathead trick that I put at the other end. Pliers real quick. So we gotta get this cotter pin out, y'all. Come on. There we go. Got them off. Damn, what the f was that? Hello? Shit in my pants. Don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody. Right now, we're able to pop this pin out right over here, like so. That is detached. Now we get this thing loosened up. All right, y'all, what I like to do is kind of stuff some rags back in here, just so hopefully some shit doesn't go falling down the rabbit hole and you're looking for this piece of shit. See if we can get this thing going. This is the most annoying one to get out. That out, easy peasy. Here we have the two different ones. Let's just replace this hoe. This one's much better. I know it's not reinforced or whatnot, but in the long run, I think I'll be ordering the M&M brand. A little bit thicker of material or added material, some spot welds, and I think maybe the spring is a little bit stronger. I'm not too sure, but a lot of people talk about it and recommend it, and I've seen it quite a few times. So we got that all on and connected. Good thing I looked back in here because I completely forgot about these racks. So all that's connected. Definitely gonna bleed the clutch again. Let me check the fluid, see how dark it is. If it's a little dark, I might do another flush real quick. Yeah, it gets dark pretty quick. I don't get it. I'm about to do another flush with the pump and just flush the whole system out, and then do the whole hold and release method. I'm just gonna have to get my girl afterwards. Get some more .3 because I believe that is the one with more heat resistant, and that's what we need because we're in Florida and shit gets fucking hot. It's a little brutal. So .4 says nothing about, you know, heat wise, nothing extra. This one does high temperature .3 brake fluid. So we're gonna go ahead and use this shit. So everything's breaking, y'all. The back of the GoPro screen cracked, so that's breaking. This fucking pump broke. I knew something was going on because like I'm pumping and fluid is just not fluiding. I put on a zip tie and that was holding just a little bit, and some fluid started coming through, and then it just gave up. So I think the pump just kind of gave out completely. Now we have to do the manual method. Thank you to my little helper right here. Oh shit, this should feel way different. A little stiff. And maybe I have to adjust the clutch because that also deals with pressure. Maybe let's rebleed it now a couple more times while the car is not hot, and then I'll take it, you know, for a drive and do some adjustments. Okay. Capiche. Teamwork made dream work. So the clutch pedal, this feels a lot more pressurized, a little bit more like firm. We'll see where it's at right now with this engagement. We're just gonna drive around just a little bit. I'll probably have to stop, mess with it, see which way, you know, feels better, and then just go from there and hope for the best. Hopefully my clutch stops slipping for a little bit longer so we can, you know, make sure we have some funds and buy another daily. We don't know if it's gonna be an auto or manual, but she wants wants the manual. So it's definitely feeling a bit better, like more pressurized and consistent. Just have to mess with the adjustments. It's kind of a tedious thing. You have to go little by little and feel out where like it just feels good, you know. I am sending the pedal out towards the clutch master, more towards the firewall, and seeing if it's grabbing better or not. If not, then I go back the other way and go from there. Right now it's feeling decent. It's just kind of grabbing a little bit more up at the top. Oops. Bring it in towards the firewall right now and see how it's gonna feel. We'll go from there. So shout out to the homie Danny for this. Really came in clutch. First person to ask, because we're both going to FL2K, and I was like, hey bro, by any chance got an extra one? He's like, yeah, I do, bro. It just worked out really well.
No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile.